Current situation in the United States as of January 2025. The United States is experiencing a dynamic period marked by significant political, social, and economic developments. Political landscape. The 2024 presidential election concluded with Donald Trump securing the presidency, defeating Vice President Kamala Harris. This election cycle was notably intense, reflecting deep divisions within the electorate. The new administration is expected to implement policies that may shift the nation's direction, influencing both domestic and international affairs. Turn 0 News to 7 Economic developments. The U.S. economy is navigating a complex landscape. While certain sectors show robust growth, challenges persist, particularly in labor markets and wage disparities. Federal job training programs, initiated to assist displaced workers, have faced criticism for their limited effectiveness. Studies indicate that these programs often channel participants into low-wage, high-turnover jobs, offering minimal long-term benefits. Turn 0 News to 5 Social issues. Diversity, equity, and inclusion day initiatives within institutions like the U.S. Armed Forces are under scrutiny. Research suggests that current DEI efforts may be counterproductive, potentially undermining core military values and cohesion. This has sparked debates about the role and implementation of such programs in critical national institutions. Turn 0 News to 8. Training programs in the United States. The U.S. offers a variety of training programs aimed at skill development and professional advancement. Professional career training. Organizations like CIE provide opportunities for international professionals to enhance their skills through structured training programs in the U.S. These programs are designed for individuals with relevant educational backgrounds or work experience, offering practical exposure in various industries. Turn 0 Search 0 Internship opportunities. For students and recent graduates, programs such as those offered by InterExchange facilitate internships across the U.S. These internships provide hands-on experience, fostering professional growth and cross-cultural understanding. Turn 0 Search 3 Government-funded training. The U.S. Department of Labor administers adult training programs aimed at enhancing employability and addressing workforce needs. These programs focus on equipping individuals with the necessary skills to succeed in a competitive job market. Turn 0 Search for conclusion. The United States, as of early 2025, is characterized by significant political changes, economic challenges, and ongoing social debates. Simultaneously, a range of training programs continues to support skill development and professional advancement, both for domestic and international participants. Nablus Trecentive role in U.S. politics and training programs. Turn 0 News to 5, Turn 0 News to 7. Turn 0 News to 8.